Once again, good morning, my sisters and brothers.
Good morning, Father.
Many times when we pray not to change, not to have our will, no? Not my will be done, but rather to know what God's will. Hindi naman para sa akin, kundi anong kagustuhan ng Panginoon Diyos. Sana paulit-ulit natin ginagawa to para mabago tayo, hindi mabago ang Diyos. Gusto natin mabago ang Diyos. So instead of asking, let us start thanking, magpasalamat. This is exactly what happened in the gospel today about the royal official. Yung official, nagpakumbaba siya, pumunta siya kay Jesus. Nang pumunta siya kay Jesus, gusto niya imbitahin si Jesus sa bahay niya para magpagaling. But rather, sinabi sa kanya ni Jesus, sabi ni Jesus, you may go, your son will live. No? Hindi na siya nakapagtalo, nag-thank you na lang siya. He believed. Your son will live. Hindi na niya inimbitahan pumunta sa bahay niya, naniwala siya. Hindi niya nalaman yung sagot until the next day, no? Pag uwi pa niya sa bahay niya. At doon, nung umuwi siya sa bahay niya, the following day, sabi niya, anong oras gumaling? Sabi niya, nung mga alauna, yun yung oras kung saan siya sinabi, your son will live. So nauna yung pasasalamat kaysa sa humingi ng sign. So his prayers were answered. He did not ask for signs, but he believed. Ano kaya kung hindi siya nagot? Kung hindi gumaling yung bata? No? Ano kaya? Pero mahalaga, ano pa kaya ang pananampalataya? But see how beautiful it is. He believed. Whether it was answered or not answered, what is important is he believed. Naniwala siya. No? Buti na lang, sa Ebanghelyo, na napagaling, pero I'm sure kahit na hindi pinagaling yung bata, he still believed. May that same faith happen in us today, especially during this Lenten season. Believe. Like our responsorial psalm, I will praise you, Lord, for you have rescued me. He has rescued us. Let us believe this. Let us celebrate this as we prepare for a more meaningful Lenten week. Salamat sa Diyos.